get rid of the pick entirely for this one. We don't need it. For this pattern, I'm going to start on 7 and 9, 7 of the low E string, 9 of the A string, and those are going to be the notes I hammer on. With the left hand, I'm going to be tapping starting on the 15th fret. If you picture a B minor shape up here, I'm going to take two notes out of that B minor shape. So through this whole pattern, my first finger and second finger, or my index and my middle, are going to be on the D and the B string. My index is going to be on the D string. My middle finger is going to be on the B string throughout. I'm going to start with my index finger on the 16th fret and my middle finger on the 15th fret. Those two are going to tap like this. In between those taps, I'm going to hit the 7th fret of the low E and the 9th fret of the A string. So we'll get something like this. You want to try to get that as even as possible, but once you get it faster, it starts to sound more musical. So for that first section, we're going to ride down with our right hand. The index finger is going to go from 16 down to 14, down to 12 on the D string. The middle finger is going to go down from 15, 14, 12 on the B string. And again, between those, we're hitting 7 on the low E, 9 on the A string. Or we can do groupings of 2 before we go down. If we start on 7 and 9, we move down to 3 and 5. Try practicing that if you're getting bored with your regular routine. That'll spice things up for you, hopefully make things a little more interesting. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. It really helps out my channel. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.